Is the keyboard sound not working on your iPhone? This can be frustrating, but don't worry, this issue can happen due to a few common reasons, such as accidental mute settings or software glitches. Fortunately, you can easily fix it with these simple troubleshooting tips. So let's get started. Before you start, make sure to turn it off. Do not disturb, turn off low power mode, turn off silent mode. Solution 1. Check keyboard sound settings. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to the Sounds and Haptics section. Make sure keyboard feedback is turned on. Enable sounds is enabled. If it's already on, tap the toggle to turn it off and turn it back on again. Also ensure your volume is turned up. While typing, press the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to increase the volume. If the volume is too low, the keyboard sound may not be noticeable. By completing these steps, your keyboard sound should be back to normal. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll cover even more useful solutions.